Modal verbs. Can, should, must, might. You've probably seen them everywhere. But when you try to use them, you hesitate. You feel confused. And sometimes you choose the wrong one. So in this video, I'll show you a simple and practical way to learn modal verbs, so you can actually use them in real conversations. What are modal verbs? Let's keep it simple. Modal verbs are helping verbs that change the meaning of a sentence. They don't describe actions. They describe your attitude toward the action. For example, I go just a fact. I can go ability. I must go obligation. I should go advice. So modal verbs are about meaning, not action. Stop memorizing, start grouping. Here's a common mistake many learners make: trying to memorize modal verbs one by one. This approach is slow and confusing. Instead, organize them by meaning. Learn them by function. 1. Ability. Can, could. I can swim. I can speak a little English. 2. Advice. Should. You should go to bed early. You should drink more water. 3. Obligation. Must, have to. I must finish this task. I have to go to work now. 4. Possibility. Might, may, could. It might rain later. She may come later. When you learn based on meaning instead of isolated words, you understand faster. You remember longer. You use them more naturally. So don't just memorize. Group, connect, and understand. Learn through real situations. Don't learn modal verbs from rules. Learn them from situations. Ask yourself, what would I say in real life? Example, you're tired. Don't think, which modal verb is correct? Think, what do I want to express? Advice, I should rest. Ability, I can't continue. Obligation, I must finish this first. Language is about communication, not rules. Use simple patterns. Modal verbs are actually very easy to use. Formula: subject plus modal verb plus base verb. Examples: I can speak English. She should study more. They might come later. No to, no tense changes, no complicated grammar. Practice with variation. Here's a powerful technique. Take one sentence and change the modal verb. Example: I go to the gym. Now change it. I can go to the gym. I should go to the gym. I must go to the gym. I might go to the gym. One sentence, many meanings. This helps your brain understand how modal verbs really work. Common mistakes. Avoid these. Adding to after modal verbs. I can to go wrong. I can go right. Using past tense after modal verbs. I must went wrong. I must go right. Overthinking. Modal verbs are simple. Don't make them complicated. So remember, don't memorize randomly. Learn by meaning. Practice with real situations. And most importantly, use modal verbs to express your thoughts, not just to follow rules. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.